Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are discussing about one more scenario based question. Those that question are asking in the interviews. Our first question is like we have to fetch the incident count. Those have attachment. Okay, so I will write the question first. Fetch the only incident. Those have attachments. Okay, so how can we do that one? For that we have to write background script. Okay, and I will show you. Go to the PDI and we write the background. Under the system definition we click on that one, and first I will tell you the from which table we have to glide, like sys underscore attachment. This is a table where all attachments are stored, right? Suppose here you can see this is the attachment table. So suppose we have to deal with the incident one, so we have to write the table name here, incident. Okay, click on incident. Here you can see we have 11 records, right? Those have attachment, so we have to find this count of that number, right? So how can we achieve? With the help of VR, like with the help of background script. So we have to write where incident ins dot new glide record, and we have to pass the table name that we have opened attachment, and we have to take incident dot add query, and we pass the table name, and table name is incident. Okay, and we have to execute that query, incident dot query, and we have to take one variable so that we can count that values of the incident. So you have to while for like incident dot next, so it will go to the next record, and we have to just make it as increment the count values. If it is available, then you can increment the count value, and we have to print that count value with the help of gs dot print, and we make the command. We have to make the string like incident count. Those have attachment. Okay, and we have make it count. Sorry, and here you can see this is the code that you have written, and just click on run script. Here you can see we have 11 count is there, so I have shown in that table this one, like we have 11. And now like you want the number of that incident, right? So for that one what we have to do, here you can see we are not dealing with any incident number in this table, right? So we have to go to the incident table where the number is there. So for that one we have like connection between these two tables. Like, what are the connection between these two, incident and attachment? So here you can see in the on the screen the attachment table sysID, right? This is the sysID of the incident. So we have to just take that sysID, and we have to check this sysID is available on the incident table or not. If table on the incident table sysID is available, then we have to fetch that record, and we have print the number of that record. So how can we do that one? Here you can see in the same code you can write like first we have to take where rec equals to new glide record. I told you we have to glide the record from the incident table because both are different table, so we can't take the number from that sys underscore attachment table. So if that go to the table, and we have to check if glide dot get, and we have to take incident dot get value, and we have to write the inside that glide value what we are doing here. We have to check that record is available in the incident table or not. So here we can write the table dot sysID. It will take the sysID from this table, and we have to check with the help of get. It will check that if that sysID is present on the incident table or not, right? If it is present, then we come under that one, and we have to write the same, copy that one and print it here, and like in place of count we have to write gear dot number, Okay, and we have to make the change the comment. We have to write incident number is okay, and now we have to execute this one. The code is done, and we just click on A and click on format it. Okay, now we click on run script. Now here you can see these are the numbers that we have. So we just open any record, copy, and just go back, like okay, I will open the incident table. Here you can see this is a record number that I have. I open that record, click on open, and now here you can see we have two snap, right? So this is our attachment. And one more thing you have seen, when we click on that uh, run script, here you can see you have two incidents are the same, right? Because you can see they have a two attachment. That's why if you want to ignore this count as one only, suppose here you can see you can group by that incident ID, because the unique one we have to take. So we can group by the table. Here you can see we have a 9. So we have two, this one and this one have two record that are have a more than one attachments. So if you want to remove that one, so you just here you can see you can just write the incident dot add group by, and we just aggregate that this table. And thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.